and I'm in Assassinators. May I sit down?
Alright, sit down.
And I'm in Assassinators, and I've been in it for about a week, 2 weeks. I went for my audition because I didn't like Super Force. They brought this cooler guy in, and I didn't like him. Right? So I came to my audition about 2 weeks ago, and I got in it, and it was very good. And I caught Wimble in a day.
Really yourself, really yourself, really yourself, yourself, really yourself, really yourself, step into my life, I'm gonna take you to the top of the world. Take you to the top of the world. It's out of sight from the madness that is only for you, girl. Just relax now, while I show you what to do. It comes easy, with my body next to you. Take your time, forever there's our destination tonight.
about the 20th, about second best in Nottingham or second best in the world.
There's one crew above us, Rock City. They're quite good, but they're beatable.
The difference, where we surprise the crowd and really entertains when our routines come up. Because we probably got the best routines in Nottingham as it is over Rock City crew.